So we came out skateboarding and we stumbled across a super sick playground. Here it is. Cue playground montage. Go.
Some people long for a life that is simple and planned, tied with a ribbon. Some people.
Hey vlog, just practicing. Elena is over there. We're in a huge parking lot right now and just riding around. Catch you later. Hopefully I don't fall. Hey vlog, look who it is. Hey vlog! Post skating.
I'm
done.
freaking hot. Oh my god.
We're hot. It's windy outside. Nice outside though. But
Great first session.
It was a good session. I was scared for Elena. She ran off as she was going down.
I was bombing it.
But
I survived.
We're
Didn't
good.
break any limbs, tear any muscles. We good. See you next time on skating with Francis and Eleanor. Bye. It's Monday. Post bar. Post DSF.
We're vlogging again.
We're vlogging the vlog.
Vlogging the vlog.
It's cold.
It's not that cold. Taylor.
It's it's like 20 degrees.
okay. It's like 30.
Keep in mind I'm wearing shorts, so
Absolutely not.
Happy Tuesday vlog. I am just listening to music. I'm gonna make some breakfast and then study. Hope you guys are gonna have a good day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Happy Tuesday, everybody. So, coming back from classes, and Elena's telling me that our toilet is completely plugged. So,
Not completely. Like,
okay, well,
there's nothing in there.
okay, well,
No, I don't think it's Sarah.
I love being dramatic though. Oh shit, that did not sound good.
Hey!
Hey!
I can take it down.
Hey vlog, it's Tuesday. I just got home. It's like 5:15 and I've been going since 7 a.m. this morning at school and then reading partners, and I had my placement today. It's been a good day, just very overwhelmed lately, very busy, but that's a good thing to be. But today, actually my best friend Kenzie from home surprised me with Kenny Chesney tickets at the beginning of May. And that'll be the first time I get to see her in a while, so it's super exciting, and shout out to you, Kenzie, if you're watching this, which you should be because you're subscribed. But thank you, that meant the world to me and it just made my day.
With egg.
Happy Tuesday night. What are we doing, ladies?
Playing Kahoot.
This is the final round. Determine the champion.
I'm like so tedious.
We'll stick with you later.
Hello.
So how's your day been going?
It's been great. Apparently I've been rude to some people, but like,
Come on, baby, make it so good.
I don't know.
Hey vlog. It is Wednesday. I can't believe it's already Wednesday. It's been so much faster than last week. Brianna just helped me film a video for my online class. Link to that in the description box. And now Brianna's gonna go get food. I need to go print, and then we both have class from 2 to 3:15.
Yes, we do. And it's 49 degrees out.
49 degrees. It is so
It's gorgeous.
The snow is melting, the sun is shining, there are smiles on our
It's a
faces.
good day.
Hi. Where are we at? Psycho.
Happy Wednesday.
Oh my god.
Why is this?
Hey vlog, just thought I'd document this very college-y moment. So it is after cycle. I thought I'd make myself a good dinner. I make quinoa, microwave some vegetables, and I wanted some chicken in there. But the thing is, I didn't want to cook the chicken, so I microwaved dino nuggets. And I'm cutting them up and putting them in my vegetables.
Happy Wednesday!
Where are we going?
We're gonna go get a bacon chicken ready.
For who?
Me and Sarah.
Hey vlog, it's 7 a.m. We're going to get smoothies and teas to support Sarah's organization.
Yes, Vibe Nutrition. What up, thing?
Guess who doesn't have class today but woke up for this anyway?
Why is it so foggy?
Did you say hello?
Hey,
Hey
vlog.
vlog!
Walking up the stairs.
Happy Tuesday, or Thursday. Somebody's
She's
tired.
going crazy. Help me.
Hey vlog! Happy Thursday!
What are we doing?
Going to yoga.
Sarah checking out the snacks. Which one are we at?
This one. Wait, here. Right there.
That one.
Hey vlog, happy Friday.
Vlog.
It's been a long day.
I'm walking up the stairs.
Currently in my third shift of work. First why, second why. Both were interesting experiences. Now I just took pictures at Vianney's ball.
Fran.
No.
Fran. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Do it. The vlog. Elena. Do it for the vlog.
I'm so lazy.
Roll me the world was gonna roll me. Da, 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 da.
It's a coming down.
Hey vlog, it is 6:30 a.m. on Saturday, April 14th. I'm off to my 9.5-hour day of my cycling certification. It's gonna be a good day, long day. Woke up to a snowstorm. Happy April. Catch with you later.
Happy Saturday morning, everybody. So if you didn't hear, we had like a major blizzard come through Eau Claire. So Elena is just kind of like scraping off the windows because she has to take pictures for her work, and her boss wants pictures of people in the snow. So I am gonna go with her just so in case she gets like stuck or something, she's not alone. So shout out to me, but whatever. Yeah, so we'll keep you updated on the adventures that we find.
Hey vlog, happy Saturday. Right now I am at work. We are hunting for snow features, and we've taken like 4-ish good pictures of one of which I couldn't identify the man because he literally skirted away.
Skirt, skirt.
But now we are driving through Carson Park looking for hopefully some people out and about. Watching a vlog of Sarah complaining about the snow on March 5th, and guess what?
It's April 14th and it's very snowy outside.
We out here in the tundra. Lena almost fell. Yeah. It's a blowing. Don't you just love Wisconsin in April?
I believe I can fly. I believe